Felines are fascinating animals with often impressive abilities. We find species ranging from very powerful animals like lions and tigers to domestic cats. They are all grouped in the family Felidae, which in turn is divided into two subfamilies, Pantherinae and Felinae. The first includes the species Panthera pardus, commonly known as the leopard. Its taxonomy has always been controversial. In ancient times, the leopard was thought to be a cross between a lion and a panther. Until the 19th century, it was believed that there were about 30 subspecies of leopards, but modern taxonomy has identified 8. The following animalized article provides an overview of the various types of leopards in the world, along with their most interesting facts and their conservation status. It is the nominotypic subspecies of the group. As the name implies, this species of leopard is native to many countries in Africa, where it is widely distributed. It is widespread in most of sub-Saharan Africa, but its historic range has been fragmented during habitat conversion. It exhibits obvious sexual dimorphism, as males are larger than females. Male African leopards are larger and heavier than females, which are typically 40% lighter than them. They can reach a length of 1.90 meters, 6 feet, and a weight of up to 90 kilo, 200 pounds, with an average weight of 60 kilo, 130 pounds, for males and 40 kilograms, 88 pounds for females. Their diet is carnivorous. They are excellent hunters and have an exceptional ability to adapt to changes in prey availability, and have a very wide diet. The known prey of leopards ranges from insects to adult antelope. Leopards are generally nocturnal, although they are occasionally active during the day. During the day, they seek shelter from the heat, either in trees, dens, or in the shade of rocks. In arid regions, they often stay in dens, which they use for shade. If you want to know more about leopards, do not miss the following article, where we explain. The Arabian leopard is the smallest of all subspecies, but the largest cat in the entire Arabian Peninsula. Unfortunately, it is classified as critically endangered by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, with fewer than 200 individuals estimated to exist in the wild in 2006. The remaining population is highly fragmented and isolated in groups of no more than 50 adult members. The body exhibits the usual rosettes of the species, but the yellow color can vary from light to intense. On average, this leopard species is 1.90 meters, 6.2 feet, long in males, while females are smaller, averaging 1.60 meters, 5.2 feet. Weight is 30 kilograms, 66 pounds, for males and 20 kilograms, 44 pounds, for females. Their limbs are short, but they have strong legs with a large, rounded paw and retractable claws. They are great climbers and can scale mountains with ease. They appear to concentrate on small to medium-sized prey, and usually store the carcasses of large prey in burrows or hiding places, but not in trees. The lifespan of this subspecies of leopard has been shortened by many human interventions, whether killing leopards for their fur, or killing them to save livestock. If you want to learn more about leopards and their habitat, read this other article, where we explain where leopards live, their habitat and distribution. This species of leopard is native to Southwest Asia and is considered the largest of all subspecies. It is classified by the IUCN as critically endangered, as the wild population is estimated to be less than 1,000 adult individuals. Taxonomic clarifications are still under discussion, but as of 2017, the subspecies of the leopard are referred to as P. ciscicasica and P. saxicolor. Its size is about 2.5 meters, 8.2 feet, from head to tail, and its height can reach 0.80 meters, 2.62 feet. As for the body mass, it can reach 75 kilo, 165 pounds. P. thaliana has a grayish, slightly reddish coat with large rosettes on the flanks and back, smaller ones on the shoulders and thighs, and patches on the head and neck. Unlike other leopards, which tend to live alone, males of P.P. thaliana usually share their territory with 2 or 3 adult females. P.P. thaliana is threatened by poaching, depletion of the prey base due to poaching, human disturbances, such as the presence of military and training of troops in border areas, habitat loss due to deforestation, and others. The Indian leopard, Panthera pardus fusca, is a subspecies of leopard widely distributed in the Indian subcontinent. Due to habitat loss, fragmentation, poaching for pelts and body parts, conflicts, and persecution, Panthera pardus is listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Males are about 142 centimeters, 4 feet 8 in, not including the tail, which grows to 91 centimeter, 3 feet. The weight varies from 52 almost 80 kilo, 110 and 170 pounds. Compared to males, females are slightly smaller, reach a length of about 117 centimeter, 3 feet 10 inches, have tails almost as long as males, and weigh between 29 and 34 kilo, 64 and 75 pounds. The yellow fur can vary between light brown or golden and even grayish depending on the region. Although the rosettes are present and form unique patterns as in the other leopard subspecies, they tend to be larger in this subspecies, a feature that distinguishes it from the others. The leopard is elusive, solitary, and largely nocturnal. It is known for its climbing skills, and has been observed dragging its prey up trees and hanging it there. The Indian leopard is also a skilled swimmer. Indian leopards are not common in habitats where tiger densities are high. In fact, where tiger populations are high or increasing, the tigers drive the leopards away to areas closer to human settlements. The hunting of Indian leopards for the illegal wildlife trade is the greatest threat to their survival. The Sri Lanka leopard, Panthera pardus catia, is a subspecies of leopard native to Sri Lanka. The IUCN Red List initially classified the subspecies as endangered in 2020. There are believed to be fewer than 800 sexually mature individuals in the wild, and it is likely that the population is declining. The black rosettes are smaller than in other leopard species, and the fur is often reddish or coppery yellow. Females averaged 64 pounds, 29 kilograms, in weight, and had a head-to-body length of 3 feet 5 inches, 1.04 meters, and a tail length of 2 feet 6.5 inches, 77.5 centimeter. In contrast, males are typically 4 feet 2 in, 1.27 meters, tall, weigh an average of 56 kilo, 124 pounds, and have a tail that is 2 feet 10 in, 86 centimeter, long. They are more active and prefer to hunt at night, but are reasonably active at dawn, dusk, and during the day. They rarely drag their prey into the trees, probably because there is no competition in the wild, and prey is relatively abundant.